The Tamil Nadu government has moved the Supreme Court against a Madras High Court judgment that denied backward class reservation benefits to people who convert to Islam. The state has challenged the ruling after the High Court struck down a government order issued in March 2024. The government order had allowed people from backward classes, most backward classes, denotified communities, and scheduled caste who later converted to Islam to obtain reservation benefits under one of the 7 notified backward class Muslim communities. The High Court, however, ruled that conversion to Islam alone does not automatically place a person under a notified backward class Muslim community. It observed that a convert can be recognized only as a Muslim unless they belong to one of the communities already listed for reservation. The court also held that the government order violated existing judgments of both the Supreme Court and the Madras High Court. The case began after Sameer Ahmed, who converted from Hinduism to Islam in 2015, applied for a community certificate identifying him as a Muslim Libai. This application was rejected by the Tehsildar, following which he approached the High Court. Tamil Nadu has now challenged that verdict by filing a special leave petition in the Supreme Court on July 6th. The state has argued that the High Court's decision requires reconsideration. The matter is expected to come up before the Apex Court in the coming days.